What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we have a trade recap. VXRT went mad and we caught some real good live trades. All right, guys, so before we jump into it, I actually shot this whole recap and the audio did not come out, so I had to redo it again. So I'm going to ask you guys for a quick favor. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Just right now, click it. It's right there. Give it a quick click. It really helps me out, and it lets me know that you guys are interested and liking the videos. And that way I know that, I should got to keep producing them. I have a goal this year. My goal is very simple. It's to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Since a small channel, it's kind of hard to get to that 1,000. But that's the goal, and that's what I'm trying to get to. But I can't do it without you. So smash that sub button. Give the video a like as well. And I'll continue popping these videos out. And remember to comment. I enjoy talking stocks with you guys. So just drop your comments in the comment section below. All right, guys, so without any further delay, let's jump right on into this. VXRT went absolutely insane today, and it didn't even have like a big pre-market action. Check it out. So in pre-market, we had it trading from 180s all the way up to 239, 240, and then it kind of like just traded above $2 all pre-market long. At open, it kind of dipped down there to 202, had a top of 220s. And then these are 3-minute candles. So that very next 3-minute candle, it just skyrocketed out of nowhere. I imagine somebody somewhere bought the break of pre-market highs, and everybody that follows him actually, pushed the stock, and then everybody else started jumping into it because it started to hit the high day scanners. And you know how that is. Once it starts to hit the high day scanner, FOMO traders jump on in as well, and then just keep pushing the stock up. We thought it was going to get halted up here, but it didn't. It continued going all the way to 438 before it finally started to pull in, put this doji candle, and then started to flag above, that VWAP area, and that's where I looked to get long on it. I actually got long in this candle here at $4. Oh, let me show you my orders. At $3.76 starter position, added to full position at 409, and then I took profit way too early as it dipped back down at 413. I'm so mad at myself, guys. You have no idea how furious I am. What could have been an awesome $500 day, like today, could have been between $400 to $600 extremely easily had I traded this just like I traded ATOS last week. My ATOS last week was like 600 share position maxed out, and I netted $300 and something on that trade. This one, I had 1,000 shares. This could have easily been $400 to $600 winner, and it's only 100 and change because of this sell order here. I'm really, really disappointed in myself and in my trading today on that. But there's always tomorrow, and there's always the next trade, and I will capitalize on one of these fairly soon here. I'm getting closer and closer. So there we are, 250 shares. Cost basis 378 from my 376 entry. We're looking to hold VWAP. My stop is under 350. I really wanted to hold to the 90 MA, but I felt it was too deep. The bottom of this candle here, which I would have considered a halt candle, was right in front of this 350. So I'm looking to stop out just under 350. If later the 90 MA holds support, I can always jump right back into this stock with the new plan. But right now, that's my stop there. So I'm risking 25 cents, 30 cents, for the chance of making a whole lot more, right? Because the high is right in front of this 450. So I'm looking to add over this pivot point here. Okay, that's what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to add over that pivot point there, which is like at 410. That's why my ad was at 409. Once I saw we started to creep back up there. So we see here we're holding, that area. Volume's coming in. Next candle opens up. We're still holding above. Now it's looking very interesting. If we break over 4, I know 410 is imminent. So I'm looking to add there. And there I am. Boom. I added another 750 shares to my full position of 1,000 shares. My cost basis is now 402 on the full position. And what happens to me now is that I'm looking for this stock to just push right up. See, right up there, it pushes. real nice profit there, but I don't trade my P&L. But then I took it. Why did I take it? Because this volume didn't increase as dramatic as I thought it would, and I got spooked. I should have just sold my 750 shares that I had just added and kept my 250 original shares. I could have re-added to that position again, right now, and as the volume starts to increase again. All that happened here was that my ad was a little premature, and it spooks me. It spooked me, and there I took my profit, and that was it. This stock, as you can see here, continued to push right after I sold, basically, all the way to 480s. My plan would have been to have sold some here at 430s, some more at 450s, and then held some for that $5 touch. I don't know if I would have held for this, this little consolidation here and pushed back up to $5 for that $5 touch. I probably would have gotten flat in the 470s or 480s, just knowing me. But that would have been a monster trade, because my entry was 376 and 409. I would have been an easy $500 day, and I let fear, kind of like control me there. And I sold my full position way too early. Sure, green is green, and nice little profit on the day, but this could have been a real nice trade for me. Probably one of my biggest trades of the year thus far. Had I made $500-600 on it, it would have been epically good for me on the year so far. But hey, the year is brand new. The week, it's only Tuesday. We got this. How did you do today? Drop it in the comment sections below. Did you trade VXRT? What were your entries and exits? Remember to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time I upload a video, and I'll catch you on the next one.